Welcome! In front of me I have OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I will show you how we can adjust notification bar shortcuts. So at first you have to open your notification bar and then tap right here. And next, if you want to change position of the icons, click hold and then drag it like that. If you want to remove icons, for example the Adobe Captive, click hold and then drag it below. And if you want to add additional icons like storage, you have to do the same. So basically click hold and then put it in this place. And after that, you can just simply go back. And as you can see, it was saved automatically. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.